You're a threat to them now, and you have to disappear. The best way to do that is to stick with us. And plus, we lost our sniper last week.
Fine, but if things get weird, I'm out of here.
Alright, fair enough.
Josh, can I speak with you for a minute?
Excuse me for a second.
Are you insane? How do we know he's not a spy? He's one of them.
Did you see the way they shot at him? If Liberty wants him dead, then I want him alive. You know we're losing this war and we can use all the help we can get.
Maybe you're right, but I think it's an unnecessary risk, and you're putting all of our lives in danger.
He won't do anything now. Plus, he has nowhere to go. I mean, what kind of people would we be if we didn't forgive him? We'd be just like them. We're gonna use this man's talents to help us. I mean, what's the point of fighting if you end up just like your enemy?
Fine, but if he so much as twitches the wrong way, I will kill him.